Are you putting up a blind, a roller blind, or any type of blind, and you can see here it needs a fixing up into the ceiling? Well, what you'll find on any new property, when you drill into that soffit, that is this bit up here, you'll probably go straight through the plasterboard without any problems, and then the drill will hit something super hard and you'll keep trying to hammer away at it, and the drill will bounce about, and the next thing you know, the hole has got wider and wider and wider and made a real mess. What you're going into is a catnip lintel. That is a metal lintel going across your window, which supports the brickwork above, and also helps the water to drain to the outside. So you don't need a high-powered drill. For the plasterboard, up here, the soffit, you can just use a normal drill bit, or like a wood drill bit. Sometimes they're gold colour, and that means they can go through metal as well. Just do a little pilot hole in the exact position you need it. You'll go through the plaster nice and easy, then you'll hit that hard thing. Drill slowly, and you should see little bits of metal come out. That's because you're drilling through that catnip lintel. It's not like a great big, a beam like you see on the Guinness advert, carrying on his shoulder. It's not that thick. You'll get through it. You've made a little pilot hole, and you can put your normal screw without a plug straight up into that metal, and the thread will cut into that metal and it will hold it super tight. That's on any modern house. That's if you're fixing the blinds up to the soffit. If it's an older house, you might drill in, and again, you hit something hard. If it's just normal dust coming out, probably it's reinforced concrete. So you're going to need to have a decent quality SDS, put it, onto hammer mode. If you haven't already, you should have. And then blast through it. Yeah, go full send into that concrete, plug, normal fixing. If you drill up through the plaster and then you think, oh, what's that? And then little wood shavings come out, it's because you've got a wooden beam across. You can probably not bother doing anything. You don't need to drill a hole. You could do a little pilot hole if you want, but you can just put the screw straight into that wood, and that'll be the best quality fixing you'll ever get. Finally, all I would say is, if you're putting up blinds like this, you can see I've got fixing there to the side. Now that is going to be the best way of doing it. If you're trying to pull a blind, you're trying to pull the blind down off the ceiling. It's a pull-out test, and that all that's reliant on is that plug holding in that little bit of plaster or that beam or whatever you've managed to hit. The best fixing you're ever going to get is from the side. So when you pull it, you're trying to pull it like that, and you're not trying to pull it straight out, so it's not a pull-out test anymore, it's a bending moment, but that's into the engineering world. Anyway, if you fix something pinned from the side, it's going to be much stronger than the ceiling, so always go into the side walls first. If you're not getting a good fixing, or for whatever reason, like on this one, I had to pack it out, you can see there, it's not tight in the corner, I had to pack it out, because when the blind comes down, you've got tiles down here, and the blind would have hit the tiles, so you've got that up there. But into the side walls is always the best. Hope that helps. Bye.